Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Alexa's Garden. In today's video, I want to show you some of my favorite herbaceous peonies that are already blooming in my garden. These are lactiflora varieties and hybrid peonies bred by world-famous growers. I really hope this video will be helpful and inspiring for you. These peonies started blooming in the third week of May here in my garden. But before I show you the blooms, I'd like to talk a bit about planting peonies. So when is the best time to plant peonies in open ground? The ideal time to plant peony roots is in the fall. Peonies are hardy perennials and do really well in temperate climates. But like any plant, they need time to adapt to a new spot. That's why it's best to plant them about 30 to 45 days before your first frost. Where's the best place to plant peonies? I always choose sunny spots in the garden, somewhere with plenty of sunlight, no strong winds, and well-drained soil. If your soil is heavy and clay-like, add some peat and sand to loosen it up. That'll help the roots settle in better. For each peony bush, dig a hole about 20 to 24 inches, or 50 to 60 centimeters, wide and deep. Add a drainage layer of sand or expanded clay. Then mix in soil, peat, and sand in equal parts, 1 to 1. When I plant peony roots, I also trim off any rotten parts and treat the roots with a fungicide. Plus, I add some mineral fertilizers to support root growth, superphosphate, potassium sulfate, and just a little nitrogen. Now let me show you the blooms. These are some of my absolute favorite varieties of peonies. I think you'll find lots of great options here, whether you're a beginner or a more experienced gardener. Herbaceous hybrid peonies. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon!